Are you thinking to start your jewelry business but don't know with what product to start? Then this video is for you. In my physical shop, I always listen to the clients. One of the last demands in my shop was this kind of pins with the chain. In this video, you will learn how to create exactly the same pin, and maybe it will be idea for you to start with your jewelry business. But if you are already creating your jewelry, this is something to add to your collection, because this kind of brooch pins now in trend, and a lot of people are preferring this kind of accessories for their jeans, for their sweaters, for the coats. So there's a lot of variations how your clients and you can use this pin in your wardrobe. In today's video, we will create fashionable pins with chain. One of the rules, what I would suggest for beginners, to find the chain that has quite big holes, as we will need to use jump rings, and jump ring should pass through the chain. You will need this kind of pin, cutters, round nose pliers, or this kind of tool. For the beginners, I would suggest to get this kind of tool, because like that you will get a perfect loop every time. And some materials what you want to use. I choose my middle element, and I would suggest for you to do it as well. So we take our freshwater pearl and we take our plier. We do this way. We insert our pin and hold and just press, and that's it. Our loop is ready, and we will attach it to the middle loop of our pin, and we will close our loop. As you can see, I help myself with round nose pliers. Carefully and slowly just close our loop. I will make it more straight. My middle element is ready. Sorry for interrupting in the middle of this video, but I would love to invite you to this channel membership, because there is a lot of different tutorials, live streams, shorts, and a lot of information what I share only with my members, especially what I sell in my physical shop, what people prefer, what kind of sales strategy and pricing I use. So all this information and behind the scenes are available on this channel membership. I will start to attach chain. We will measure one more time how it should be, and then we take a jump ring, open it, and then attach chain to it. Maybe it is too long. I think I need to make my first chain a bit shorter. Yes, this, and we attach to the loop on our pin and close the jump ring. Here I like to make a bit of overlap of the jump ring to be sure that my chain won't jump out. Just a bit to overlap. Now we check length, we check middle element, and we measure that it will look nice, and we will attach to the other loop on our pin. So we take pliers and jump ring, open jump ring, attach it to the chain to the loop this way, and close, and we a bit overlap this way. Here we are. Now we will need to cut the chain. I will cut it longer than other side this way, I think here, and I will attach another chain next to my pearl here as well. I will make it longer than my other chains. I will cut it straight away here, and now I will take another jump ring. I will open it and attach our chain to the middle loop. next to our pearl. This way, a bit of overlap on the jump ring to avoid any falls of our chain. A bit of overlap. And now we will decorate, and then I might add another chain if it will be necessary. I always check how I like it, like I likes it. So now I will check what kind of, this one's I think too dark, but these ones are just perfect. So I will take hat pins and I will make loops on every pearl. Now I will attach every pearl to every chain on my brooch pin, and I will help myself with round nose pliers as well. I will overlap . Already can be done if you like when it's minimalistic, but I think I will add some more stuff. Like I really want to add this kind of chain. I think it will be beautiful. So for it I will take jump ring, and I will need to take jump ring a bit bigger because I want to attach this chain to this loop. And I will open my jump ring, enter into the chain and into the loop on my brooch pin. Open a bit more this way and we close. Then I will check how it looks like, and I want it to be a bit more down than my previous round of chains, that it's not overlapping each other. So I need to open one of the loops on my chain. I open it, then attach it and close carefully and slowly. Here we are. I think I need to add a bit more sparkle to this brooch. I will attach as well hematite stone star. All the same, using the pliers, I will make a loop, open it a bit more, and I will attach it here. So as you can see, even this kind of small pendant on our future brooch pin makes huge difference on the designs. These small details are just perfect for this kind of pins because they straight away gives it a bit more design, and our eye have a lot of stuff what to pay attention to. But I still think I want to add few crystals in between the chains to give it more shine. For it as well I will use head pins and crystals. I think this hematite color of Czech crystals will be just perfect, so I will do all the same. But this time I will use the same tool, but with bigger hole. All the same. We just place it, hold and cut. As I need bigger loop to attach it. So that's why I will use other pliers for it. And I will make straight away 3. Hold it and press. 2. Now I just attach them to the base of our brush pin, just in between the loops. I think one is not enough, and in between the loops on the pin I will add 2 crystals. And to complete our visual part, I will add one more crystal somewhere here on the side. Our fashionable brooch pin made of chain, freshwater pearls and crystals is ready. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and you will be able to make your own brooch pin. Leave a comment below, do you like this kind of brooch pins, and share your thoughts about this trend.